Welcome to the Advaning Prestige Series Retractable Awning. In this video, we'll guide you through the general installation, operation, and care, so you can enjoy years of reliable shade and comfort. Please review all safety instructions carefully. Always install with 2 or more people, and follow the installation instructions outlined in the owner's manual. Keeping these precautions in mind will ensure a safe and smooth installation. Your Prestige Series awning package includes the fully assembled awning with 15-foot power cord, a remote control kit. It also includes 18-inch wall mount brackets and all general installation hardware, and a manual hand crank for backup operation. Before starting, make sure all parts are present and accounted for. For installation, you'll need a few common tools: a measuring tape, marker or pencil, stud finder, chalk line or laser level, a drill with bits for wood or masonry, socket wrenches, a level, hammer, a 6mm Allen wrench, ladders, and a portable lifter. We recommend having at least 2 people available to assist during installation. Start by planning your bracket placement. Measure the distance between the mounting holes on your awning and mark where the left and right end caps will be secured. Use a chalk line or laser level to ensure your markings are perfectly straight. Brackets must always be secured directly into wall studs, headers, or solid masonry, never into hollow surfaces or siding alone. The 18-inch bracket design provides a secure and safe installation, allowing for 2 stud connection. Align brackets to your markings, drill pilot holes, and ensure to insert the awning retaining hex bolt through the bracket slots that best correlate with your sized awning and bracket placement. Then secure the brackets with either lag screws or expansion bolts. Take your time to ensure the brackets are perfectly level and secured to structural supports. This is key to a proper and safe operation. Once the brackets are installed, carefully place the awning body onto a portable lifter. Use a moving blanket or cardboard under the awning to protect its finish. Slowly raise the awning toward the brackets. Guide the awning onto the brackets and retaining bolts. Secure the bolts tightly with washers and nuts using a wrench or socket wrench. Once secured, carefully lower and remove the lifter. Next, connect the power cord to a GFI-rated outdoor outlet. The included remote not only controls the opening and closing of the awning, but also the integrated LED lights, allowing you to power them on, dim or brighten, and turn them off as needed. In the event of a power outage or remote malfunction, the Prestige Series includes a manual override. Insert the provided hand crank into the manual gear loop located on the left side of the awning. Turn the crank to open and close the awning as needed. When finished, store the hand crank in a safe, accessible location. Your awning comes preset with a 15-degree pitch. To adjust the pitch, follow the step-by-step guide in the owner's manual. Thank you for choosing the Advaning Prestige Series Retractable Awning. With proper installation, operation, and care, your awning will provide lasting shade and comfort for years to come. For more information, visit us at advaning.com.